our video here, we're going to be taking a look at the coordinates and quadrants for some points here. We'll start with point A here. Notice that we start in the origin, which is the middle of the X and Y axis, and those coordinates are 0, 0. So then we're going to count over to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Since we went to the right, that is a positive 4. Had we gone to the left, it would have been a negative 4. Then we count up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And because we went up, that's a positive 6. Quadrants, you'll notice that the axes here divide the graph into 4 areas. We start on the top right, and that is quadrant 1. So we know that point A here is in quadrant 1. And then we move counterclockwise. So it's quadrant 2 here on the left, top left, and quadrant 3 on the bottom left, and then quadrant 4 on the bottom right. Now, let's find the coordinates for B here. Notice we start in the origin again. We're going left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we went left 7, so that's a negative 7. And then we go up 1, 2, 3. And up again is positive 3. Since B is in the top left, we know that this is quadrant 2. And yes, we do write the quadrants as Roman numerals there. Let's look at C then. Notice that from the origin, I don't have to go right or left. That means I need to tell you I don't go right or left by putting a 0 there. Then I go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And because I went up, it is positive. Now C lands on an axis, so it's not actually in a quadrant. So we just tell you that we land on the y-axis. Let's look at D then. For D, I start in the middle and I go 1, 2, 3 to the left, left being negative, and then I don't go up or down, so that would be 0. Now D also lands on an axis, so it's not in a quadrant. We just tell you it's on the x-axis there. Let me clear the board there. So then we can look at E. So starting at the origin, we would go left 1, 2, 3, and left being negative. Then we would put a negative 3 there. And then down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And again, down means negative. And our quadrants, if you remember, we start in the top right and we move counterclockwise. So E here being in the bottom left, E is going to be in quadrant 3. All right. Then finally, let's do F. We start in the middle. We go to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, and right is positive. And then we go down 1, 2, 3, so down being negative. And because F is in the bottom right, we know this is in quadrant 4 here. So I hope that helps with your coordinates and your quadrants.